watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to Summer Home Decor Tour from the Ginger Home. Explore the delightful and refreshing touches throughout the house, perfect for the summer season. This tour will highlight vibrant, playful, and stylish decor ideas that can transform your home into a bright summer retreat. Summery kitchen decor. This kitchen radiates summer with its peachy and terracotta accents. Fresh herbs and topiaries in terracotta pots complement the bright citrus hues of fresh oranges against a teal backsplash. Simple additions like a striped kitchen towel, vintage-style hand soap, and a teal tea kettle add a playful yet sophisticated touch. Summer dining room setup. The dining room embraces a relaxed summer vibe with casual dining arrangements. Plates and utensils are set out informally, encouraging meals in the sunroom or on the deck. Colorful fruits, flowers, and reusable produce bags enhance the dining space, making it both eco-friendly and visually appealing. A summery entryway. The entryway is refreshed with a sisal mat, a straw hat, and a trailing ivy in a woven basket. These simple touches add warmth and invite guests to feel at home. A French market basket and rubber boots are conveniently placed for quick access, blending practicality with style. Summer mudroom style. The mudroom doubles as a potting shed in the summer, featuring a deep sink and high faucet ideal for plant care. This space also serves as an apothecary, organized with essential oils, ribbons, and wrapping paper, making it a multifunctional area for gardening and gift wrapping. We hope this tour has provided you with inspiration to refresh your home for summer. By incorporating these simple yet impactful ideas, you can create a vibrant, inviting space that embodies the essence of the season. Enjoy transforming your home into a summer haven.